Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes. Today I am going to tell about the stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. This topic is related to the chapter 1 of the class 11th. You know very well, the name of the chapter is some basic concept of the chemistry. So what is the today's topic? Today's topic is stoichiometry. What is the meaning of stoichiometry? Stoichion means element. Stoichiometry is related to the two Greek words stoichion and metron. The meaning of stoichion is element and the meaning of metron is measure. So what is this stoichiometry meaning? It deals with the calculation of masses, sometime volume also. It means stoichiometry deal with the calculation of masses, sometime volume also of the reactant and product. You know very well, any reaction occur when both reactant, two or more than two reactant combine or react to each other and form the product. That is called the chemical reaction, and in chemical reaction stoichiometry deals some calculation of masses, sometimes the calculation of volume also. So what is the example of this stoichiometry? Combustion of methane. See, you know very well the formula of methane is CH4. CH4 plus 2O2 given out CO2 plus 2H2O. So here 2 is written just before the O2 and H2O. What is the 2? 2 is the coefficient, that is called the stoichiometric coefficient. That is called the stoichiometric coefficient. 2 is also called the stoichiometric coefficient. So this is the stoichiometry. And what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion came out from this theory? This is the one molecule. According to the stoichiometry, 1 mole of CH4, 1 mole, I repeat again, 1 mole of CH4 react with 2 mole of oxygen. React with 2 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of CH4 react with 2 mole of oxygen, O2, to give 1 mole of CO2 and 2 mole of H2O. So here you can see very easily 1 mole of CH4 react with 2 mole of oxygen and given out 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 mole of water. So now come on the next point, 1 molecule of the CH4. You can say 1 molecule of CH4 react with 2 molecule of oxygen. React with 2 molecule of oxygen. 2 molecule of oxygen and given out 1 molecule of CO2, 1 molecule of CO2 and 2 molecule of water. So now come on the next point. Here in the sense of the volume, you can say that 22.7 liter of CH4 react with 44.4 liter of O2 to give 22.7 liter of CO2 and 44.4 liter of H2O. Okay, now come on the next point, 16 gram of CH4. Calculated in mass, 16 gram of CH4 react with 2 into 32 of O2. 2 into 32 of O2 to give 44 gram of CO2 and 2 into 18 gram of water. So how can we calculate the mass of any molecule? You can also watch my previous videos. I described in very detail how can we calculate it. So what is the result? Mass is interconvertible into moles. Moles also interconvertible into molecules. So here number of molecules also interchanges into moles and moles also interchanges into mass. So mass upon volume is equal to density. Mass upon volume is equal to density. So this is the stoichiometry and this is the stoichiometric calculation. So I repeat my class again, what is the stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. The meaning of stoichiometry is stoichion plus metron. These are the Greek words. Meaning of stoichion is element and metron is measure. It deals with the calculation of masses, sometimes volume also, of the reactant and product. Example, combustion of methane. CH4 when react with 2O2, CO2 and 2H2O is formed. Here 2 is written just before O2 and H2O. This is called the stoichiometric coefficient. According to this reaction, 1 mole of CH4 react with 2 mole of oxygen and give 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 mole of H2O. You can say also 1 molecule of methane react with 2 molecule of oxygen, given out 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 molecule of water. You also can say that in the form of volume, 22.7 liter of CH4 react with 45.4 liter of oxygen to give 22.7 liter of CO2 and 45.4 liter of H2O. You can also say in the form of mass, 16 gram of CH4 react with 2 into 32 of O2 to give 44 gram of CO2 and 2 into 18 gram of H2O. So mass interchanges into moles and moles interchanges into number of molecules. Mass upon volume is equal to density. So this is the stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculation. Hope you understand this topic very well. So thank you so much for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the more classes. This is Surbhi here. Thank you so much.